Hey guys, I thought I'd make a quick video. The other day I had a neighbor come get me and said that the picture wasn't all showing up on the screen. As you can see right here, I've got it set where you can see this scrolling across the bottom. You can't actually see it all. A lot of ball games and different things, they'll scroll stuff across the bottom and you can't see it. Sometimes the heads will be cut off, and I was able to help them fix it, and I thought, well, maybe there's others out there that's having the same problem. So it is a real easy fix. This happens to be a Sony TV, but most of them work pretty similar. It's one of two things. You've got your TV remote, and most people have a cable box remote. This is the one that people don't really think about, that you can zoom. So first thing you want to do is you want to check your TV remote. On my particular one, I've got a button that says wide. Yours may say something else. But what you want to do is you want to push it. You want to look right here. There's wide zoom, there's full, there's zoom, full pixel. So you want it either on full or full pixel. And that'll a lot of times fix it. But say that doesn't fix it. The next thing you can do is you can get your cable box out. And if you'll see the number 9, right under the 9, there should be a pound sign. So what you want to do is you want to push your pound sign. See it change? See right there, you can't even see anything on the bottom. Her head's cut off. There we go, we're back, right here. So most of the time it's this. It's the button right under the 9. Just push it until you get the picture. Everything's up, everything's squared. Leave it just like that. Well, I hope this helped you out. I know that was real simple, but a lot of people don't really realize that there is a zoom mode on these cable boxes. So if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You know the routine. Next time, catch you later.